Maybe you can hear the swans now. Oof, that's crunchy. Oh, goodness. Should watch where I'm going and not look through the camera. Look at those gentlemen. Good job. Yeah, good job. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Oh, you're thinking I'm on snap. Tent's exposed now. Probably should clean that up. You gonna check it out? Good boy. Heard a pheasant. Looks like swans are flying away, but they're through the trees, so I can't see them. That's too bright. Good job. Good job. Yes, he's a big girl.